Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, how is everybody doing today? Today we are going to be making very nutritious, very healthy dish. Is Moringa leaves. It's in India, in Hyderabad we call sojni ki phalli. We are going to use the leaves and also we are going to use the seed parts. Okay, it has a lot of nutrition in there. It has a lot of antioxidants and vitamin C and a lot of numerous health benefits in there. So this came from one of my friend's house. His name is Shashi. He grows everything. He grows year-long vegetables. So I got this from him. So we're gonna start with this first, cleaning them. Yes, we are gonna pick up leaves like this and remove all this big thick stems, and we're gonna just take the leaves like that, and then also we are gonna clean up this. I'm gonna show you how to clean this. So we're gonna make the dal. Okay, and the seed pods, we're just gonna take the seed pod like this and cut it over here a little bit and pull all these things out as much as you can, strings. Okay, like this. Don't have to come out everything because you're not eating that. So then you cut it and just pull it like this. You make pieces like this. Okay, to put it in the dal. Okay, let me go ahead and do all of them, then I'm going to come back and show you the rest of it. Okay friends, now we are going to start cooking. I clean up the leaves and also I clean up the seed pods, drumsticks. So we're going to start cooking. Let's go all the ingredients. So we have the moringa leaves and we have drumsticks, moringa seed pods. I have some tamarind soaked in the water, and I have a half a cup of red lentils soaked in the water. I have half a cup of pigeon peas, Toor dal soaked in the water, turmeric half a spoon, red pepper 1 spoon, and a couple of green chilies. Okay, let's go put 2 dals and some lentils and boil the dal first. Okay, we're gonna take this pot and we're gonna add, okay, move. Okay, we're gonna add first dals, both of the dals, red lentils, masoor ki dal, and pigeon peas, Toor dal. I have both half a cup and half a cup. Then you're gonna put a lot of water and we're gonna add this pepper, green pepper, and turmeric, and we're gonna cook this until it gets tender. Okay, then we're gonna go to next step. Okay friends, our dal is 50% done. So we're gonna add these leaves in there, moringa leaves. The dal is 50% done. So we're gonna add all these moringa leaves in there. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, now let's go see other ingredients, how we're gonna cook the drumsticks. Okay friends, while our dal is boiling, now we're gonna cook the drumsticks. So to make the drumsticks, I have half onion and moringa seed pods, drumsticks, and I have 2 medium-sized tomatoes, some haldi, turmeric, some pepper, lal mirchi, some salt 1 spoon, and some curry leaves. Okay, curry pack. Okay, let's go start making this. Okay, our pan is hot and I put 2 spoons of oil in there. So then we're gonna add some onions in there. Once the onion gets a little softer, we're gonna add tomatoes. under the spices. Okay, our onions is soft. We do not want to be like a brown. So now I'm going to add tomatoes in there. And turmeric. Salt to taste. Red pepper, 1 spoon. Or according to your taste. Some curry leaves. And also we can add moringa seed pods. Fry for a few minutes, then we're going to add water. Okay, we started for 5 minutes. Now we are going to add some water and let it cook for 10-15 minutes or until the drumstick gets softer. Okay? Okay, we add some water and then we're going to cover it, cook for a little while, like probably 20 minutes. Okay, then we'll come back and finish with the dal. Okay friends, our dal is boiled. So we're gonna grind with the hand grinder a little bit. Not much. Just coarsely, okay? That's all you're gonna grind it. We need the coarse one. So after that, we'll take the seed pods and add it in there. Okay, stove is on. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, we're gonna add all these seed pods in there. Mix it slowly, and we're gonna bring it to boil. Then we're gonna put the tadka. So yummy, yummy Moringa Daal is ready. Okay. Okay. We add the moringas. Now we are gonna be adding tamarind juice. Okay, I just squeezed all the tamarind what I was soaking. There's a tamarind juice. So our dal will be cooking the tamarind juice and the moringa seed pods. Okay, so that is good and yummy. We just have to put some tadka after a while. Okay, we'll wait until it start boiling. Okay friends, our dal is boiling for 20 minutes. It's cooked really good. See? So look at the consistency. If you want, you can make more thinner, but we like it like this. So we're gonna make tadka now, tempering. Okay guys, to make the tempering, we'll put 2 spoons of oil. 2 or 3 spoons of oil, and a little bit of ghee. Okay, this is desi ghee. It's clarified butter. We're gonna put this. Once it melts, we're gonna put all this garlic, chopped garlic. Bismillah. And some mustard seeds. It smells good, garlic and butter. Ghee. Some mustard seeds. And cumin seeds. And red pepper. mustard has to crack. If your mustard don't crack, your dish is gonna do not taste good at all. The mustard comes with raw mustard in your mouth, it's not gonna be good at all. After the mustard is cracked, this really dish is gonna taste very good. Okay, the mustard seeds are cracking. You can hear that. Now we're gonna put some curry leaves. We're gonna cover that. So don't splash on you and everywhere and mess up the kitchen. The mustard seed burns you really badly. They're so small, but once that comes on your eyes or hands, it burns. So, okay friends, our tempering is ready. So we are just going to add it to dal. Okay, our dal looks so yummy, looks so good. It's very nutritious, very healthy. Even the moringa leaves, you can put it in your smoothies. That's really, really good for you. Okay, let me serve in the dish. I'm gonna show it to you. Okay friends, our dal is ready. Looks so yummy. You can serve with a hot boiled rice. Any kind of rice. We usually use with basmati rice, or maybe you can use any sona masuri rice, whatever the rice you like it. It tastes good with any rice. Yeah, I don't know if it's a roti is good or not, but I never tried with the roti. We always eat with the rice. So you can try with the rice. I think definitely you're gonna like it. There's a lot of nutrition in there. Leaves and the seed pods of moringa leaves. So okay. If you like my videos, please click like and share, subscribe. And if you are visiting my channel for first time, please definitely subscribe and support my channel. Okay? Thank you. See you later. Next video. If you also wanted to learn some other dishes, please write a comment. I will try to make it for you. Okay? Bye.